In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up VAT in Xero. Managing your VAT effectively is crucial for any business, especially when you're looking to streamline your financial processes and ensure compliance with tax laws. Xero, a powerful cloud-based accounting software, simplifies this task, allowing you to manage your VAT settings with ease. Let's dive in and explore how to configure your Xero account to handle VAT. Our journey begins by navigating to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button located at the top right corner of the page. It's your gateway to entering your personal Xero space, so go ahead and click it. This opens up a page where you will be prompted to enter your email and password. These credentials are your unique identifiers, ensuring that your financial data remains secure and private. Enter them carefully and then click on the login button to proceed. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, the command center for all your accounting needs. The next step involves accessing the accounting menu, a crucial step towards managing your VAT settings. Within this menu, you'll find a multitude of options, but your focus should be on finding and selecting the advanced option. This section houses various complex settings and adjustments, including those for VAT. In the advanced settings, your next destination is the financial settings option. This is where the magic happens concerning VAT. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to various financial configurations of your Xero account. Now you're ready to start personalizing your VAT settings. The first task in configuring your VAT is adding a tax basis. This step is foundational in establishing how your business is assessed for VAT. Following this, it's crucial to input your tax ID number. This number is essentially your business's identification in the eyes of the tax authorities, making it a critical detail. Proceed to add your tax ID display name. This name is how your tax ID will be displayed within Xero and can be your business name or another identifier that makes sense to you and your financial team. Next, it's time to choose your tax period. This decision depends on your business operations and legal requirements, which dictate how often you need to report and pay VAT. Whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually, Xero allows you to select the period that matches your business needs. Once you've diligently filled in these details, you're at the final step. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will save all the changes you've made, updating your Xero account with your specific VAT settings. It's worth noting that setting up VAT in Xero is more than just a compliance measure. It can enhance your accounting efficiency, providing you with insights into your VAT liabilities and credits, assisting in accurate reporting, and ensuring that you're always on top of your financial obligations. In summary, navigating to Xero and logging in, accessing the advanced settings through the accounting menu, and meticulously entering your business's tax details are the fundamental steps to configure VAT settings in Xero. Remember, keeping your financial settings updated and accurate is key to smooth financial management and compliance. Thank you for following along this guide on setting up VAT in Xero. By now, you should feel confident in managing your VAT settings, making your accounting processes more streamlined and compliant. Stay tuned for more helpful guides to navigate your financial software needs efficiently.